They will chase you nonstop, even if they've pulled away. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, they're going to chase you using this simple technique. It's a system that you use throughout the day, and it's simple, it's easy to do, and it works. And even if they've pulled away, even if they've said, "Look, I'm done with you. That's it. Goodbye." It'll draw them back. You'll be shocked. Watch and see what happens. First, I'd like to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching at lawofattractionsolutions.com. You go there, hey, sign up, we'll get in touch with you, and we'll talk for about 30 minutes about a mentoring program that can change your life, the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on. Law of Attraction Solutions. It's free. We've helped people in 60 different countries. We can help you too. So one of the things I like to remind people is that we don't chase energy. We attract energy to us, but we don't chase it, because when we chase it, the energy just seems to move away faster and faster. And it's the same thing in a relationship. If you've gone through a relationship, a breakup, whatever it may be, if you're chasing that person, they're moving away faster and faster and faster. And you may think, well, I've talked them into coming back before. If I can just talk to them. It doesn't work that way. Allow them to come back to you, and you really have something special. You have a real relationship. Now, the technique I'm going to give you involves morning, afternoon, and evening, and it's fun to do. It's easy to do. What's going to happen is you're going to shift your vibration, and you're going to shift your belief from wanting and needing to having and attracting. And attraction is what it's all about, right? So in the morning, before you get out of bed, before you even step out of bed, when you first wake up, I want you to imagine them texting you, calling you, making plans with you, wanting to spend time with you. I want you to do it the first thing in the morning when you first wake up. Now, you might want to put some kind of a reminder, because you may forget. You may get out of bed, get your day started, and then go, "Oh, I missed that." And it's important that it be as close to the moment that you wake up as possible. So if you want to cut out a little heart, stick it on the ceiling or on the wall, so that when you wake up in the morning, you see that and you go, "Oh, do this, do this." And you're imagining them calling you, texting you, writing you, wanting to spend time with you. You want to hear them in your mind saying things like, "I can't just get enough of you. I want to spend more time with you. I'm sorry for the way things have been in the past. I was a little messed up. I was going through a lot. But now you're the most important thing in my life." You want to hear them saying that in your mind's eye. Focus on feeling the emotions: love, security, happiness, commitment. Commitment. Feel that. Maybe before they were afraid to commit, but now all you can feel is their desire to commit. Maybe you went through a breakup or going through a divorce. Now they desire to save the marriage. Next, throughout the day, affirm your magnetic identity. So many people do affirmations, and it's about their specific person. My specific person loves me. That's okay, but that's not going to be that effective. What you want to do is reaffirm your magnetism. So here's some special affirmations. Write them down, memorize them, carry them with you until they're literally a part of how you think, and say them throughout the afternoon. I am irresistible. They can't help but think about me all day. I'm the love of their life. They chase me with passion. Say these every day with certainty. Now, how many times do you have to say? It's not formulaic. Just say them and feel it. Feel it. Feel your magnetism growing and attracting and drawing them to you. Next, act as if. Throughout the day, walk, talk, and move as if you're the version of you who's already in that relationship. Radiate self-worth. Don't obsess over their actions. Don't follow their Facebook or their Instagram or TikTok or whatever they're on. Don't chase them. Let them chase you, because you are the one. And when you believe that, you literally start drawing them to you. It's absolutely essential that when you act as if, that you believe that they're already yours. Don't believe that you're going to get together, that you might get together, that someday you'll get back together. Believe right now that they're already yours. Believe it. They're already yours. And then in the evening, I like to do a special little meditation. I take a red candle and I put a little piece of paper under it. And I put their name. I'm so glad they love me. And just sit by the red candle and feel how good it is to be loved, to be cherished, to be cared about, to be wanted, to be desired. They're going to be texting you around the clock. They're going to be calling you morning, noon, and night. They're going to want to be more deeply involved in a relationship with you. Why? Because you're special, because you're unique, because you have the magnetism that attracts them, and you know it. High flyers, you're no longer becoming the version of yourself that is doing the chasing. You're now becoming the version of yourself that's being chased. Doesn't that feel good? I know that it does. High flyers, wanted to remind you, I have a special audio for all you lovers out there. It's called I Am a Love Magnet. And you go to IamALoveMagnet.com and you download it absolutely free. There's no cost. There's no obligation. It's yours 100% free. It's my gift to you. Okay. But what it will do is when you play this for about 12 minutes, maybe you play it as you're falling asleep, lying in bed. It's going to change your subconscious beliefs, your subconscious programming, and it's going to awaken the magnetism within you. So anyway, it's yours free. IamALoveMagnet.com. Now check out this next video. It's especially for you.